Okay, so I'm beyond hyped on this shoe I'm about to show you guys, and I just wanted to say that right from the jump. These are a drop everything I'm doing, create an unboxing video this second shoe. Like, this has to be said right now. And I was very ready to line up at my local skate shop on Friday to get a pair, but instead I have a very special gift here that means a lot to me, and I want to share with you guys why it means so much and try to explain to you the significance of this sneaker and how something like this kind of sparked my entire interest in sneakers, period. So big shout out to Paul Rodriguez, aka P-Rod, for allowing me to give you guys an early look at his first signature shoe. And like I said, drop everything moment, check these out. I opened the box and I wasn't sure exactly what was in there. Soon as I did, it brought me back. And it brought me back to a time when I didn't know much about Jordans at all. Hardly anything, didn't know much about Nike. I was riding my skateboard around town, hanging out with my friends. We'd go to skate parks, we'd wax up a curb, skate the curb, and that's all I cared about. Work my little jobs, save up some money, buy a deck, some wheels, some trucks, or a pair of shoes. There was no shoe I wanted more at the moment in 2005 than these, the Nike SB P-Rod 1. And we have so much to unpack. Just sit with me for a second. Allow me to talk with you guys and share the significance of this shoe, P-Rod, skateboarding. Man. You don't even know the person I was when these first released. So if you're on the outside looking in, you don't follow skateboarding, but you think this is a cool looking shoe, allow me to just talk to you about these real quick. You're looking at history right here. This is the first of 10 signature shoes that Paul Rodriguez has with Nike. 10 signature shoes. Think about that. He's the only person outside of basketball players that have had the chance to have 10 or more signature sneakers. Think about all the athletes in the past that have had signature shoes with Nike that have not had 10 of them. Dion, Penny, Ken Griffey Jr., people that have classic Nike shoes don't even have 10 of them. So these are an incredible milestone, and they're a celebration. They are a 20th anniversary celebration of a shoe that came out in 2005. At that time, there was nobody that I idolized more than P-Rod. Like, that was who I wanted to be like. Skateboarding meant everything to me. That's all I cared about. Skateboarding, making a little bit of money so that I could go skateboard. And I always looked at P-Rod as the coolest person on earth, for sure. The early to mid 2000s is when I really started to pay attention to my personal style, and I was heavily influenced by skateboarding and hip hop, and there really just wasn't a skateboarder that I was gravitating to at the time. There wasn't somebody that was dressing like me, talking like me, acting like me, until P-Rod. He was always wearing stylish stuff that I wanted. I wanted to dress just like that. He was wearing the shoes that I thought were cool. I was just getting into Nikes. I would go into the skate shops to buy my skate stuff and see all the different footwear on the wall. And I would see people's signature models, Eric Costin, Chad Muska, and there wasn't anybody representing Nike until Paul Rodriguez. This is the first Nike SB signature shoe. The way that you view Nike SB Dunks at a skate shop nowadays, where you go in, it's sitting on the wall, and it kind of just jumps out at you. These would be sitting right next to it, and they would go toe to toe with a Nike SB Dunk. So think about the hype, think about how popular those were. For a skateboarding shoe, nothing looked like this at the moment. It's got the puffy tongue and the shape of a lifestyle sneaker that you could wear with just a cool outfit or be out skateboarding in. That crossover appeal is hard to find. These look fresh. with any pants in your wardrobe. So now that we got that out of the way, let me show you some details on the shoe. For one, we have a translucent outsole. On the original, this was black and white, so this is just something that differentiates the original from this 20th anniversary pair, and it's this cloudy translucent bottom. You can see the shank plate there in the middle, and like the name suggests, there is Zoom Air in these, which is awesome. Like a skateboarding shoe with an airbag right there, absolutely love it. You get premium leather on here, premium turn stitch style, so that these things don't get frayed when you're skateboarding in them. Obviously a black Nike swoosh, and then as you can see there, embossed is the P-Rod logo, kind of like a Gucci design. Love that. In the back, a blinged out Nike logo that was black on the original pair, so you get some chrome accents throughout. Same thing on the puffy tongue here, where it was just black and white stitched on the original, and everywhere that you see chrome was black. So where you see the silver on here is just a celebration. This is a celebration pair of what P-Rod has done, so I like it. It's just a little bit blinged out. Where you see SHS right there is a callback to P-Rod's original skate crew with him and a few other skate members. Nobody knows what this means, which I think is awesome. It is literally just a skate crew that P-Rod had back in the day. Like, I had a skate crew, I don't even remember what it was called, but there was like 4 or 5 of us that were like, yeah, we're a crew, we're cool, we're all down. That's what this is, and he incorporated it on the shoe to this day. I think that's so cool. That's just like a nice little nod to your childhood there. You do get extra laces. They are white. This is a special shoe. I hope that Nike continues to retro some of the P-Rod models. I need more. I need those P-Rod 2s, those P-Rod 3s. I even did a video on the P-Rod 7s when they first dropped, the premium version. That was back in the day. Old Eddie Wynn stuff right there. So I appreciate you guys so much. Big thank you to P-Rod, Spanish Mike. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.